Hey, welcome to the channel. Here in the video, we will share the details for the Minecraft error code e-0020. The error reads, "Couldn't access the marketplace. Try again later. Contact support if the problem persists." Before we proceed, we want to let you know that we used AI for the voiceover and some graphics. However, all the information shared has been manually researched and is not AI generated. As per our research, the error comes when users try to access the marketplace in Minecraft. Even though users are able to sign in to Minecraft.com, the Microsoft Store, and the Minecraft launcher, they get signed out inside the game, which prevents them from accessing Marketplace or playing. According to our research, this error is likely related to some temporary system-side issue or issues with the game version or network. To deal with the error, the first thing we suggest is to restart your device along with the network and try again. Once your device and network restart, relaunch the game and check for the error. If the error still comes, then update the game to its latest version. Simply go to the game settings or launcher and check if any updates are available. If yes, install them and check for the error again. If the error still persists, then try connecting over a different Wi-Fi network or a mobile hotspot. Then check if this helps with the error. At last, if you still get the error, then probably the issue is coming from the system side. In that case, we suggest you give it some time and try again later. That's all for the video. If this video helped, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe. Have any questions or issues? Drop them in the comments below. Thank you.